Good morning, class 4th class. This is English language book, and we have started chapter 9th, verbs, which means expressing action, being, or possession. So yesterday we have completed page number 42, question number C. So now today we'll start page number 43. The first thing is verbs that denote belonging. Belonging means possession, whatever you have. Okay. So the verbs has, have and had show belonging or possession when used as main verbs. Okay, so class here it means is the words has, have and had. ये तीनों वर्ड है ना, has, have, had. They show belonging और possession और whatever you have. ये तीनों वर्ड हैं, ये बताते हैं कि आपके पास क्या है और क्या था, ठीक, या आप क्या हो. क्लियर? बिलोंगिंग और possession. लाइक आई हैव अ ग्रीन पेंसिल. आई हैव, मेरे पास एक ग्रीन पेंसिल है. ओके, तो ये क्या बता रहा है? ये बिलोंगिंग बता रहा है मेरे वर्ब की. इसमें जो वर्ड हैव है वो क्या हुआ? वर्ब हुआ. आई हैव अ न्यू टॉय. हैव. शी हैज अ यंगर ब्रदर. हैज. दे हैव अ बिग ब्लू कार. हैव. आई हैड अ लॉन्ग स्कर्ट. हैड. So these words has, have, had show belonging or possession. Okay? And when these three words alone in a sentence without any action word, they all called main verb. Okay? अगर किसी भी सेंटेंस में बस ये तीनों, कोई एक्शन वर्ड नहीं है, तो ये तीनों क्या हो गए? एक मेन वर्ब की तरह वर्क करेंगे. ओके? वी यूज हैज एंड हैव इन प्रेजेंट टेंस, had in past tense. Has for singular and present tense, have for plural and present tense, had with all words, singular, plural, all. Okay, but in past tense, पुरानी चीज़ें अगर हमारे पास, मेरे पास ये चीज़ था, मेरे पास वो चीज़ था, या तुम्हारे पास ये चीज़ था, then we use had. Okay, I had a yellow dress. I had a big car. Okay, so these kinds of sentences comes in a verb form, has, have, had. So now next important thing is keep in mind the verb have also means to eat or to experience. Class, here it is written have also means to eat or experience. Have का मतलब ये भी होता है खाना या किसी तरह का आपका एक्सपीरियंस, किसी तरह का आपका अनुभव कि मैंने ये काम भी किया है. Read some examples. He has 7 almonds every morning. Eats. अब देखो सेंटेंस में कहीं ईटिंग या ईट कुछ नहीं लिखा है, इस तरह कोई भी सेंटेंस ईटन, लेकिन इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? He has 7 almonds every morning. इसका मतलब ईटिंग में आता है कि वो हर सुबह 7 almonds खाता है. ओके. We had a great time yesterday. Experience. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि कल हम लोग का जो दिन था वो बहुत अच्छा रहा, कल हम लोग का टाइम बहुत अच्छा रहा, ठीक था. तो एक्सपीरियंस बता रहे कि कल का दिन कैसा था, तो बहुत अच्छा था. ठीक. द वर्ब्स हैज, हैव एंड हैड आर यूज्ड एज हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स विथ मेन वर्ब्स इन अ सेंटेंस. ओके क्लास, देयर आर सम एग्जांपल एंड दीज सेंटेंसेस आर द एग्जांपल्स ऑफ दिस हैज, हैव वर्क एज अ मेन वर्ड. But here I have finished my work. Finished action verb ना, so here have is work as a helping verb. अगर किसी भी एक्शन वर्ड के साथ है तब has, have, had क्या हो जाएगा? हेल्पिंग वर्ब की तरह काम करेगा. लेकिन अगर अकेले होता है इस तरीके से, कोई एक्शन वर्ड नहीं है, तब वो मेन वर्ब हुआ. ओके, here have helps the main verb finished. Okay, now come to the question number D. Pick the correct verbs for the following sentences. Class, here there are some sentences. There are 2 options. We have to choose the correct one. Okay, I again tell you, we use has, singular and present, have, plural and present, had with all words but in past tense. So question number first, sentence number first. Our school library has have the latest books. School library, not libraries. One, so you will choose has. The parrot has have a curved beak. So parrot, singular word na, so you will choose have. The parrot has a curved beak. Third, my cousins have a collection of beautiful seashells. Cousins, plural varna, so we'll choose have. Gunjan has a green frock when she was young. Now class, these words when she was young, it means the sentence is in past tense. So you will choose had. जब वो young थी, जब वो छोटी थी, past tense हुआ ना, so you will choose had. Ranjan and Ritu have the best scores. 2%, so you will choose have. Okay, clear? Question number D completed. Next topic. Subject verb agreement. Every sentence has a subject and a verb. The subject and the verb in a sentence must agree in number. Look at the following examples. Class, it means when the subject of a sentence is in singular form, you will add verb first form plus SES. Okay, you will add SES in verb first form. अगर आपका जो सेंटेंस में जो भी सब्जेक्ट है, जो भी काम करने वाला जो डूअर है, अगर वो सिंगुलर फॉर्म है, जस्ट लाइक अ पैरेट, he, she, it, one name, then you will add SES in verb, like he goes to school, she sings very well. Okay, तो आप SES ऐड करोगे वर्ब में. But if the doer and the subject of the sentence is in plural form, you will write only verb first form. Okay, you will not add any SES. अगर प्लूरल फॉर्म में तो केवल वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म लिख दोगे, SES ऐड नहीं होता है. जस्ट लाइक I go to school, they play in the park. Okay, Ram and Shyam complete their work. Okay, so these kinds of sentence is called subject verb agreement. The market stays open all night. Here the market singular subject, stays singular verb. अब देखो मार्केट यहाँ वन था ना, इसीलिए यहाँ जो वर्ब था उसमें SES ऐड हुआ, यहाँ पे S हुआ. समझ आया क्या कहना चाह रहे हैं? अगर यहाँ पे सिंगुलर है तो SES ऐड होगा. ठीक. Next thing is, if the subject in a sentence is singular, the verb should also be singular. Okay, class. If the speaker, the doer is in singular form, you will add SES. Just like a worm wriggles in water. Rani is coming out of the room. We use is with singular word. So Rani is singular word. So Rani is coming out of the room. Next thing. If the subject in a sentence is plural, the verb should also be plural. Just like worms wriggle in water. Worms. Many verb na, plural word na. So you will not add any SES. You will write only verb first form. Okay. Rani and Raman are coming out of the room. Rani, Raman, 2%, plural form. So we'll write are. Okay. With I and you, we always use a plural verb. You are a good boy. All of you were late yesterday. I walked to school. Okay. So this is the formula to format any sentence. Okay. Formation of sentence. Now come to the question number E. Fill in the blanks with the correct forms of the verbs given in brackets. Class, in this question you have two options and you have to fill here according to the sentence, according to the singular or plural subject. First sentence, Rani dash dancing. Her friends dash watching her. Enjoys. So here Rani, singular one, so you will write enjoys. Friends, plural, so you will write enjoy. रानी सिंगुलर थी तो आपने S फॉर्म ऐड किया. फ्रेंड्स प्लूरल थे तो आपने विदाउट SES राइट किया. ओके. नेक्स्ट, आई डैश माई ग्रैंड मदर, सी डैश मी टू, लव लव्स. आई प्लूरल फॉर्म, सो विल राइट लव. सी सिंगुलर फॉर्म, सो विल राइट लव्स. The sun dash during the day while the stars dash at night. Sun shines. Sun, singular word, so we'll write shines. The sun shines during the day. And here stars, plural word, means many stars, so we'll write shine. A spider dash a web. Many other spiders also dash their webs. Spin spins. So here a spider, singular word. So we'll write spins. And here many spiders, many other spiders. Plural one. So we'll write spin. Here spins, spin. Next, a squirrel dash a nut. The other squirrel dash behind a tree to see where it is hiding the nut. Okay, class. Is hiding, are hiding. We use is hiding with singular word. So, a squirrel, singular, is hiding. And we use are with plural words. So, squirrels, plural word. So, here we will write are hiding. Are hiding. Okay. So, question number E completed. Question number F. Rewrite the sentences using plural subjects. Make other necessary changes as well. Class, in this question, we have to change the subject in plural form. Okay, plural subject. जो भी इसमें जो सब्जेक्ट है, जो डूवर है, उसको हमें प्लूरल फॉर्म में चेंज करना है. अब जब डूवर और सब्जेक्ट प्लूरल फॉर्म में चेंज होगा तो वर्ब भी चेंज होगा. तो उन सारी चीज़ों को ध्यान रखते हुए हमें करेक्ट सेंटेंस बनाना है. सो द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस इज माई कैट लाइक्स हैविंग मिल्क विथ अ बिस्किट. हियर कैट इज द डूवर और सब्जेक्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस. सो कैट, कैट्स, likes, like. My cats like having milk with a biscuit. Next, the dog was barking at the stranger. Dogs, plural subject. So it is dog, singular subject. So we'll write dogs. And was, were. The dogs were barking at the stranger. Next, the boy is playing football with his friend. So boy, boys, is, are. The boys are playing football with his friend. Okay. Next, the horse lives in a stable. Horse, subject of the sentence, singular word. Horses, plural word. Lives, live. The horses live in a stable. Okay. Last one, fifth number. This knife is too sharp. This knife is the subject of the sentence. Knife, knives, K-N-I-V-E-S. This, these, is, are. These knives are too sharp. Okay. Next question. Question number 6. That mango is ripe. Mango, subject of the sentence. So mangoes, that, those mangoes are ripe. And last one, the student is going to the classroom. The student, subject of the sentence. Student, students. The students are going to the classroom. Okay. So question number F completed. Question number G. In the following sentences, the subject and the verb do not agree. Rewrite them correctly. Class, in this question, there is a mismatch of subject and verb. Okay. So firstly, we have to find out the mistake and then write them correctly. First sentence is, my brothers was happy to go abroad. Brothers, plural word na? So we'll use were. My brothers were happy to go abroad. Abroad means foreign country, Videsh. Next, this bag are full of lovely flowers. Bag, singular word na? So we'll use is. This bag is full of lovely flowers. Karthik have not gone out yet. We use has with one word, singular one. So Karthik has. Karthik has not gone out yet. Irfan were happy when the job was complete. So here Irfan, singular word. So we'll use was. Irfan was happy when the job was complete. Okay. The students is decorating their classroom. Students are, not is. The students are decorating their classroom. Rita was studying for 6 hours every day last week. Rita, singular word na? So we'll write was. Rita was studying for 6 hours every day last week. Next, Pratik and I. Two person na? So, was is incorrect. Were. Pratik and I were not allowed to attend the function. Pratik and I were not allowed to attend the function. The dead trees has been cut down. Trees, plural word na? So we'll write have. The dead trees have been cut down. Scatters is glad that winter have arrived. So scatters, plural word na? So we'll write are. Scatters are glad that winter has arrived. Winter is singular word na? So winter has arrived. Next, one of the apples were rotting. So apples, plural word, and were again plural word. But here one of the apples ना, so इसका मतलब क्या होगा, बहुत सारे सेब उसमें से कोई एक, उन सारे सेबों में से कोई एक जो है वो खराब हो गया. तो यू विल राइट हियर वन ऑफ द एप्पल्स वॉज रॉटिंग. ओके, उन सारे सेबों में से कोई एक जो है वो खराब हो गया है. ओके, सो क्लास हियर द चैप्टर इज कंप्लीटेड. सो थैंक यू.